Is your computer screen getting an unusual crack? Then it might have the screen damage issue. With time, this problem can get worse and bring disruption. So, if you are facing such a problem, just call experts and fix it. iTech Xpress is a leading name in this regard in Covina. They offer guaranteed laptop screen repair service on a fair budget. For more details on their features and facilities, browse itechexpressing.com. Or you can just dial 626-777-4747 to discuss with their professionals. Decided to ask them for your help? Well, just do it and get rid of the broken screen problem soon.